Okay student, let us see Roman numeral chart. Already you have learned from 1 to 10 in earlier classes. It is just a revision. Make a view. Similarly, we can expand 1 to 10 further as 11 to 20. So already we are well aware 11 is nothing but when we break up 11 it is 10 plus 1. Already symbol for 10 is x. So see here we are writing 11 as 10 plus 1, that is x, plus 1, that is I. So xi will be the symbol. So like this will be further proceeding. 10 plus 2 12. See 10 plus 2 12. 13, it is 10 plus 3 13. 14, 10 plus 4. For 4 we have learned the symbol 1 I and V. 15, it is xv. 16, XVI. 17, XVI. 18, XVI. 19, it is XIX, and 20 it is XX. So you can write any number if you are well aware about the symbol 1 to 9. If you are well about 1 to 9, you can write any number symbol. So this way we will be proceeding the concept to write the numeral. Let us see numeral 30 to 100, that is will be seeing the multiples of 10, 30, 40, 50 and so on. So 30 to 10, when we are having 30 can be represented as xxx, that is maximum we have learned x can be repeated thrice, not more than 3 we can define it. So in 40 we are not repeating xxxx, it is wrong. You have to write the use the concept of, that is from higher numeral you will be using the subtraction part and subtracting smaller numeral, so it becomes as 50 minus 10. So for 50 it is L, and when we have to do the subtraction related to small numeral we write towards the left side, so it becomes X. So XL is the symbol. You learn all the symbols properly. 50L, 60LX, 70LXX, 80LXXX, 90XC. From 100 when we subtract 10 it becomes XC, so it is 90. 100 it is C. Same way 100 to 3000, 100 it is C. 200 again repetition of C twice. 300 repetition of C thrice. We can't repeat more than three times, so now 400 we will not be writing C, but it will be CD. So here we are having a change. Again we will be using the concept of subtraction of Roman numeral smaller lower value from higher value or bigger value. So it is CD. 500 it is D. 600 just opposite of CD, that is DC. Here we will be having additions of concept. So 500 plus 100 becomes S. 600, so 500 will be D, 100 will be C, so it is DC. 700 DCC, 800 DCCC, 900 again from higher value we will be having the subtraction of lower value. So symbol for lower is C and higher is M. So CM will be the symbol we will be using for 900. 4000 it is M. For 2000 repetition of M twice. For 3000 it is repetition of M thrice. So try to learn and write this symbols 10 times to understand properly the number symbol. If you want to learn the concept of the symbol, so you have to do the learning and writing work, and it will be helpful to you. Now come to the exercise 1.6, third and fourth sums. Already we have discussed the topic addition of Roman numeral, subtraction of Roman numeral in the earlier video. So we will be following that concept and solving the sums. So third number, solve and write the answer in Roman numeral. Whenever we have to do the subtraction and we want the answer in Roman numeral, first we will be going to the concept what this Roman numeral is having the Hindu numeric numeral value as. Same way we will be finding the Hindu numeric value for the second Roman numeral. So let us see LXBII. When we are solving it, L we are well aware a bit about the symbol. It stands for 50. X stands for 10. VII, it is 7. First we'll be adding 50 and 10, it becomes 60. And when 7 is added, it becomes 67. So 67 is the Hindi numeral for Roman numeral LXVII. Next one is XLIX. Already we are aware of XL. XL stands for 40. So here it is 40. IX is for 9. So 40 plus 9 becomes 49. So hence when we use the relation of subtraction LXVII minus XLIX, so the values for them are 67 minus 49. From 67 when you subtract 49, it is 1818. Again we will be writing the expanded form. Come to this part. So 18 can be expanded and written as 10 plus 8. Symbol for 10 is X. Symbol for 8 is VII. So this way when we combine both the symbol, we get the Roman numeral as XVIII. So this way we can make the subtraction between the two Roman numerals. Now B and C, try to solve in the similar way as we have just now discussed. D part, C XCII minus XLV. Similarly again we will be first finding Hindu numeral for CXCII. So C stands for 100, XC stands for 90, II stands for 2. So first add 100 and 90, it becomes 190. When 2 is added, it becomes 192. Next XLV. XL stands for 40, V stands for 5. When added, they becomes 45. Hence, the subtraction between these two numeral will be having the value as 192 minus 45. When we subtract 45 from 192, it is 147. Again, we'll be expanding and writing 147 as 100 plus 40 plus 7. Already we are well aware about the symbol. 100 means C, 40 means XL, and 7 means VII. Combined all the symbol and rewrite it. So 107 will be having a Roman numeral as CXLVII. So this way you can get the difference between the two numerals. E part, MCD minus CCCXXII. So MCD will be having the numeral Hindu numeral S. M stand for 1000. CD, already we have seen in the chart, CD stand for 400. You learn it or mug up it. So it is 400, 1000 and 400. When ended become 1400. Next CCCXXII. Already we are aware about the symbol C. C stand for 100. So here it is 100 plus 100 plus 100. We will be repeating thrice. Plus X stand for 10. So 2 times X is coming. So 2 times addition of 10 10. And II stand for 2. Now the underlying number shows that we will be adding or will be doing the addition of all the three. So 100 plus 100 plus 100 becomes as 300. 10 plus 10 becomes as 20. So here it is 2 as it is. When we do the calculation of all the numbers, we get 322. Hence, the difference between MCD and CCXXII will be having the Hindu numeral value plus 8 will be the expanded form. Write the symbol for 1000, it is M. 70, it is LXX. For 8, it is VII. And when we combine them, it becomes M, L, X, X, V, I.